இங்கே 13 வருஷமாக வந்துட்டுருக்கேன். ஒவ்வொரு வருஷமும் நாங்கள் இங்கே வரும்போது புது புது வியாபாரிகள், புது புது கலெக்ஷன்ஸ், புது புது சாய்ஸ் எங்கள் கஸ்டமருக்கு கிடைக்குது. We feel so good.
Over the years, it's been improving. Year over year, we have been seeing a very good increase in the walk-ins too. A lot of buyers are coming. The quality of the show has also improved a lot, and today it's in par with IIJS.
UBM people are doing a wonderful job by bringing the business community and fraternity of manufacturing wholesalers into one platform so that they all can meet in a pan-India happening is happening at one place. It's a very good feature. Good, a magnificent show, well organized, good. There's more floral zero touch.
I was associated maybe in a small way 14 years ago when the thought came out of doing a B2B show in Chennai, and at that point in time it was a small venture with about 30 to 40 retailers, and now I'm happy that this journey has grown to a level wherein you have 300 plus participants, and it only goes to show how efficiently this B2B show has been run. Sure, we need to be congratulating the entire team who've been behind this.
This is my third show organized by UBM. I see it growing exponentially. Every trade fair has been getting better, and the show getting better means it's giving us good returns, both for the showcasers, the people who are exhibiting here. Getting everyone at the same place is helping me save time, reducing my effort, increasing my margins, and also my exposure. And I also wish UBM gets bigger and bigger.